The Mystery Machine Model 1 was built by the finest students in Montreal. We used organic wood, stainless steel nails, and our intelligence and dream work is what made this dream car come alive.
It was built right here in our very own wood workshop, the WBC Burling Woodchuck Wood, supplied with its very own fresh wood and saws. We made sure that it wouldn't leave any carbon footprints, and it was made with our bare hands.
Ever feel like riding in style? Come check out our Mystery Machine soapbox. It's designed for everyone. No matter how big or how small, this soapbox is made for you.
The production of this fine vehicle was designed and produced by our three wonderful teams: the chassis team, the steering team, and the leadership team. It's measured so that it fits each and every individual student, their body type and height.
Hi, my name is Elena Talby, and I am the CEO of this corporation. My job is to make sure that everyone is on task and doing what they're supposed to be doing. And if anything isn't secure, I have to fix it and make sure that the car is safe enough for everyone to use.
Hi, my name is Pamela, and I was the assistant to the CEO, so I made sure to help her supervise others and make sure that everyone was on task and doing their job. I also helped build part of the car, so I was cutting, nailing, and gluing certain parts together.
Hi, my name is Tashaya Pierre, and I was also a part of the propulsion engineering team. I helped with the construction of the wheels, the braking system, and the steering, making sure they were all connected to the car.
Hi, my name is Sarah, and I'm a part of the propulsion engineering team. I helped with the construction of the wheels, the planning of how the braking system would connect to the wheels, and the front steering.
Drop it on my car.
Girl, I must.
Drilling holes require a tool to make the hole. That tool is called a bit, and the tool to force the bit through the wood is the drill. Many projects can be accomplished with bits that range in size from 1/16 of an inch to half an inch in diameter. They can be bought separately or in sets. Larger diameter bits are also available.
This is a saw. It's a very, very sharp hand tool to cut woods and other materials, like a screw or long thin materials that have steel blade, by moving it back and forwards.
Just might be the next best thing, but not quite me. I'm Slim Shady, yes I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. Cause I'm Slim Shady.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
Yeah, good, White. Good boy. Yeah. Good, White.
Turn on the ignition. Let's go. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Good boy. Good boy.
Ride with me.
Good boy.
On the streets right now. Hot issue on the streets right now. Yeah. Ride with me. Ride with me. Roll with me. Let's
Good
roll.
boy.
Let's roll with me. Yeah.
Good.
take 'em for a ride.
Now, back to our program.
Hello. Today we'll be talking about our soapbox core. We have chosen 4 concepts: the tools needed to shape a material to be machined, types of links, characteristics, and properties of material. I'm going to start with the characteristics of a handsaw. The teeth are very sharp, so it is able to cut wood. Screwdrivers can match with screws that have the same shape to push screws into the wood. One side of the hammer is round for the nails to be hammered into the wood, and the other side of the hammer is opened and curved down, so we can pull out the nails when the screws are inserted incorrectly. A drill has a similar characteristic as a screwdriver, but it can make a hole and push screws in very quickly. When digging a hole or pushing a screw in with a drill, it rotates in the forward direction, and when removing the screw, it rotates in reverse direction.
We used the thick wood for the base of the car. This is because it is strong and does not break easily when someone steps on it or rests on it. We use the 4 wheels because if you have 3 wheels, due to the angle of rotation, one of the wheels must be centered in the front of centered in the rail. This makes the car easy to flip over. The wider the wheelbase, the more stable the car is when it turns, and it can withstand tilting forces, which makes it less likely to tip over. When we were trying to connect the male parts of the car, we used the wood glue first. However, it didn't stick together. We used the nails with the hammer after, but the nails were too short to connect the 2 thick pieces of wood. We then tried to put screws in with a screwdriver. It took a lot of time and energy, but it worked.
We used 3 types of links: glue, nails, and screws. Glue is indirect, flexible, permanent, and partial. Nails and screws are direct, rigid, removable, and partial. We found nails and screws have the same characteristic and have opposite characteristics with glue. That's it for our presentation. Thank you!
Our soapbox car is super solid. It is made of pure wood and all connected with ultra powerful screws we drilled into it. The pieces of wood do not wobble, shake, or move at all. They are completely still, keeping the wood tough, strong, and sturdy. It's so sturdy, it can hold the weight of a full-grown adult. Since we made it out of screws, you can also alter the design at any time. All the parts of the frames are removable and able to be changed. If ever a piece of wood breaks, rots, or cracks, you can always replace it with a different piece of wood. The frame is all indirectly connected with screws, but yet still very strong and rigid. Hinges will be used to open and close the doors. We will make sure the hinges cannot be opened all the way. As the door slams against the side, it can cause damage to both the wood and the hinges. So, since we can limit it, it will be much better. So the wood and hinges will last longer for an overall better car. I think now it is clear to see this car, the mysterious machine, is the greatest soapbox car in the world, and you do agree. I bet you that.